park, so we're gonna get some donuts and have a little break there. This is Julia, you know her. Picked her up along the way, she just hitchhiked.
I'm not ready for the food review yet, Caitlin. I haven't digested yet.
Welcome to our room. We've got pretty blue sheets and a nice little view outside. This is my bed. We've got a little closet. We've got a nice little confusing artwork that looks like there's a thumb. There's a tapestry. This is fun.
What up?
Went in the water in the ocean. We went for a swim. It was very nice, quite relaxing. We sung H2O a lot. Lily's nibbling on some frozen raspberries. I think we're having sushi for dinner tonight. I'm very excited. My feet kind of hurt because the ground is hot, but I'm at peace. Ow.
Abby's house. Where Abby lives. No, I'm kidding.
She lives there permanently. This is Zanu. She's allergic to everything. How's your food review?
Really good.
Yeah.
A bit dry. And I'm not sure it's not working.
Okay. Do you have like variety throughout the nights, or is this like a?
Yes, this is only one night we have chicken sandwich. Tomorrow night's pizza. And the night after that's also pizza.
That's exciting.
I know. And then one night's like this weird mince thing. So that's alright. And rice.
Yummy.
But the other ones are surprises.
Oh, that's exciting.
Unsure as of yet.
I mean, this looks good though.
Thank you.
We're excited. Holly's playing some fancy boggle thing.
That is,
Yeah,
it works. Okay,
Yes,
let's
yes.
do it.
Jasmine's sitting there. This is all of Jasmine's sushi.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it all.
Day 2 of schoolies. We're walking down to the beach. We woke up really late and everyone made fun of us because we slept in, but you know what? Who has the most like us? I think that's really just like a loss on their part. I'm probably not going to swim. I think Julia is.
I pulled that out of my throat. Down, wait, I want to get in. No, back up. Do not get in our hole. Get out of our hole. It's my wall. Sorry. Get your bum off our wall. You guys digged really deep. We did.
So this is day 3. Haven't really said much, but we're skating.
Hey, we're skating.
And very badly, may I say.
Well,
Ollie's currently holding my hand. Well, yeah, I'm very
pushing
bad at this.
Caitlin because...
Oh my god! Yeah, sure, this looks really good because you can't actually see me. Welcome to day 4. Is it day 4? I don't know. This is everyone.
I don't want to get burned.
See if you're in frame.
Watch my vlog too, it'll be better.
Watch Petra's. I better go viral for this. This is wild. We're all at the beach.
I haven't done anything. We got rid of our dog.
We got, oh, I didn't tell them about it. I didn't want to publicize it. Petra was the one vlogging it. Story time. Okay, so yesterday, Julia and I were having a wine and cheese night. We were watching a movie, which we haven't finished yet. But I came out to find my keys because I was gonna open another beer. Anyways, we found it. We named it Puddles because he was so cute. I'll put in some photos. I'm gonna edit in some photos of the pup. Anyways, we found him and he was like super abused and malnourished. Abby, Meg and I took it to the vet and basically we found its owner, but I'm not sure how good that is because I'm pretty sure it was abusing him. Anyways, that's my rundown on the story. But apparently we're having a beach day. Some people want to stay here all day. I don't know if I'm going to stay here all day. It might be a bit much, might get some heat stroke. But we'll update you.
Oh yeah, Lily and I are happy hour.
What about me? I kind of want to go to happy hour. We might go to happy hour and then there's pizza on the beach tonight. So that's my update. So we're at happy hour. Hi. We're really excited. It's completely empty here because it's literally in the middle of nowhere.
At 4 p.m.
And next to IGA.
Yeah, it's literally the only thing here is the golf course and the IGA. So
Can we go golfing after?
absolutely. Well, mini golf is we can do mini golf. Actual golf sucks.
Oh, let's get a mini golf then.
What are you getting?
Smoky espresso martini. I'm very excited.
See, I low-key don't want to order anything. I want to try everyone's and see what I actually like and then order it. But I feel like you can't do that. But that's what I want because I don't know anything, you know? All I have is beer. I don't know anything else. Unless it comes in a beer bottle or a wine glass.
Lara, what's the mood?
But now we actually know where we are. Where we're going. It's actually real nice lighting. If you can pan out and have a look. And back This is coming in like 20. It's a bit windy if you can tell right here.
Okay, but I'm like feeling better because I'm not as hot.
blanket.
Yeah, so it's
I got full dehydrated.
I'm very keen for pizza. It's absolute freaking bath. It was like $81 for 5 pizzas. Yeah. I thought it was a bit more expensive. It's an alcohol restricted zone, so I'm kind of might just have a beer anyway. So
I mean,
dad's cop, so funny. Bitch.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Sounds such a busy, so overall freaking thriving.
Alright, you think today.
Petra, how you feeling?
Pretty good. It's actually really cute. Like, if I had my polo right now, I'd take a photo, you guys.
There's another dog, by the way. We don't know whose it is.
Petra,
I like it.
We attract
think
dogs,
it's really
but that's
cute.
okay. It's really cute.
Hey vlog, I'm here for a food review. So here, this is also Sarah with me. We're about to have pizza. I'm really excited. It's the Hawaiian pizza. It's taking forever, so that's already a no.
What's your favourite pizza
We had
and your least favourite pizza?
I like peri peri pizza and Hawaiian.
What about your least favourite?
Anything with seafood on it. There's Caitlin over here. She's just chilling. I don't think she's doing too well right now.
I got full dehydrated.
She hasn't drunk any water.
Hey, I had a little.
Thanks for
That is too
listening.
much.
I'll give you a food review of the
You
pizza.
look like one of those
after.
characters in like.
Love that for me.
Some tea, there's some crepes behind us in a car. Yep. Love that. This is a pizza. This is a margarita. Oh my gosh. Almost got kidnapped. Story time. The margarita is very salty, but the Hawaiian was pretty good, except the ham was like a lot. Food review.
Oh, wait, there's still. Oh, never mind. I won't have the mug.
It was on the floor. Food review. This is an updated one. So the ham and pineapple was very hammy.
This is really cool.
It's really good, but it's a little bit too hammy. And the margarita was very salty. But what can I say? I just want to tell you that Caitlin's just beautiful. She's stunning. Just a cool gal. She was just over there drinking wine. But I love that for her. Love you.
I'm gonna try and.
Wait, we need to like a solid. Oh my god.
Look at it.
It looks like cottage cheese.
I touched it. It smells.
How's it going?
It smells.
What's up, guys? So I'm currently home alone because some of the girls went to teach someone how to drive manual, so they're going to like some car park, and then the other girls are in Bateman's Bay just going to Kmart, I think. I'm not sure, but I wanted to stay home. Tensions were high this morning because I don't know, 4 people are leaving tomorrow on Saturday, and so they're like, well, there's only gonna be like 5 of us to clean up on Sunday if we leave on Sunday, but even though we vacuumed entirely today. But that's fine. So I think we're leaving tomorrow. We've completely cleaned up anyway. I think it's probably a good idea. Tensions are high. Yeah, but it's gonna be like a 4-hour drive, so I'm not sure what time we're leaving. Okay, guys, we are about to leave. We're on our way back. Woo! It's been really fun. So we'll update you, but we're gonna get some petrol from Mogo. And how are we feeling?
Sad.
Another one. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some Maccas because we are keen for some Maccas.
Get 48 nuggets.
Look, I don't like nugs, but they can get nugs. Alright, update you soon.